Shop, and here we have an introduction session, and intro session is developed by the team, me, myself, Rahmatullah, and Rosine Shaukat, Research Executive at IRP, and we have Institute of Research Promotion conducting such kind of workshops. IRP is specialized in research method trainings and capacity building kind of activities. Hope you people are listening clearly and enjoying this conversation. In case of any problem and discontinuity, you people must text me so that we can handle the issue immediately. So in this workshop, we will explore the provision of specific required skills, what is required in research writing, what kind of skills people should carry to produce good academic writing. And in step 2, during the workshop, we will prepare the participants for quality research writing in different cases and settings like proposals, like PhD thesis, like synopsis and other part of academic writing. So in various cases, how we can produce quality writing, this we would be learning in step 2. And then we have step 3, where we will learn how our academic writing exercises relates to our career, relate to our publishing output, and how we can disseminate our thinking, our knowledge, our expertise through academic writing while producing adequately written quality writing, having good citation, good formation, good formulation, and good sense of that piece of paper. So this would be at general level 3 step. And here we have a simple quote about a writing. I have included it because it gives very clear message about the writing process, and you people can see from my screen being shared with you. This is a general quote that the people who has never published before often have a number of mistaken ideas about publishing. Once these are clear up, things are not as bad as you might have thought they were. If you just replace the word writing in place of publishing, you will come to know that there are certain misperceptions, wrongly developed ideas about writing, like writing is the job of professor, writing need very good English language skill, writing need very thorough researching skills, writing is the job of very experienced critical academic people. Such kind of misperception usually serve as bottlenecks in our academic career, in our good writing skills. So what we preach is that we should get rid of that misperceptions about writing, and we encourage people that after acquiring few skills and having interest in writing, we can produce very good academic writing and could be as good as one who publish in international journals. So then there are also a part of reviewing. This is the integral part of our workshop, and here we talk about the process of reviewing and then discuss how people are afraid from reviewing, like exhibited in this picture, that when a person wants to submit his article, his piece of research, he faces so many hurdles. People having access and other instruments are just here to let that person not go through that process of paper accepted. Like beyond these people, you see that the paper is going to be accepted if you cross these people. So how to cross these people? This is the area of this workshop, and workshops help scientists, academicians, researchers to cross these people and pass through this process of academic writing. So I hope you people will enjoy when you with piece of paper you will be fighting with the people having axes in hands. Then if you look at the next table, we have there that there are different reasons why the research papers are rejected. So if you look at these and the ratio corresponding to these elements, so we see the faulty methodology is the reason of paper rejection. Then we see the inadequate reference is the reason of rejection. Then we see the poor quality supporting figure is the reason of rejection. Then we see the paper is written not relating to the scope of the journal. Then we see the contribution is not very much. And if you look at this alarming statistics, which is 27%, that poor writing style and use of inadequate language is the major reason which causes the paper rejection. So therefore this workshop is designed to help you people to not face such kind of rejections and to manage these reasons before it become obstacles for you in your road ahead of academic career. So the statistics shows that the poor writing style is confirmed as major reason of slow career in academic publishing. So while coping up with this challenge and minimizing this inability and having the ability to produce good quality written material, we can publish more. So these statistics supports our offering that we must go into such training, such workshops, such learning sessions where we can improve our writing skills. Then we have another aspect to share with you people, and that's in front of you right now, which says researchers face challenges in research. They include lack of theory-based model. Yes, sometime we put models in our writing, but we don't support these models with enough adequate literature. So model requires primarily two things: the data and analysis according to that model, and literature which supports the variables, the relationship and the association predicted in the model. So when we don't support and back that model with adequate theory, we got rejected or we got failed. Then we have again a writing problem, which is informed consent of writing about someone. Like if we are quoting someone, naming someone or reporting data about someone, we must have written consent from that guys. If we have collected primary data, we must have consent from that guys. If we are by name or by certain identity we are reporting in our literature, so there must be a consent about something. If we have our own university and we analyze the case of our own university, but we should not dare to do that without the consent of registrar of the university or the VC of the university. So consent form in research is very much essential. Then we have another problem, which is incomplete and inconsistent data reporting. We have various set of data in our writing assignments, in our paper, in our thesis. So when the data is not with a consistent flow of ideas and scheme, it really gives the message that the person who is going to write it or who have written or going to publish it is not well prepared. He doesn't put very much time onto it. So in